Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a calculator on a new coding platform named Thunkable. So before we start coding, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, ring the notification bell to be the first one to know about any new videos. So without further ado, let's get started. So now I'm going to show you how to go to Thunkable new coding platform. So on your search bar, just type thunkable.com, enter. After a while, you'll see this screen. Click on Get Started. So I automatically came to the projects because I've already signed in. But if you're a new user, when you click on Sign In, it'll when you click on sorry when you click on Get Started, you'll see Sign In option. You just enter your password, enter your email ID, just click on Sign In, and there you go. It'll automatically come to projects. So now we need to click on Create New App. I'm going to give the project name as Calculator Create. So now you can see this screen. Here you have the tutorials, and you can just close that. Click on rename, and you have to click on and to rename. Just click on the pencil icon, which you can see there. Here I'm going to write it as main screen. Now we need 4 buttons and 2 text inputs. 4 buttons each for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and 2 text inputs for the 2 numbers. So, it's not like code.org. Thunkable is not at all like code.org. You can just drag and drop anything where you want. Here you need a column. So in the add component search, column. So you can see your add components. I've searched column, drag and drop it in the main screen. Next, you're going to need 4 buttons. So you click the search button, drag and drop it. Here you can rename the button as, I'm naming it as add. So now we can duplicate this button by just clicking on these sticky note type images. Click on that. Next, duplicate. So now I'm going to do it for all the 4 operations. Multiplication. And now division. So now we need 2 text inputs. So in add components, search text input. So you can hear text input, just drag and drop 1 and 2. So now the first one, I'm going to name it as no.1. I'm going to write. So I can write enter no1. Next, in the second one, I'm going to name it as no.2. Enter no.2. Now you can see that all the components are sticking together. So if you don't like that, you can just, here you can see calculator, click on column, scroll down, then you'll see vertical alignment. Click on that and click on space around. So now you have space. So for today I'm only doing this much. The coding part will be there in part 2. So make sure to try out the design and wait for the second part. You can see the coding in there. So have fun coding. Goodbye.